Hey everyone, there's nothing that ruins a clean drawing like seeing those rectangular viewport boxes on your final print. In 2026, the easy method is still the best way because it keeps your viewports active while making the borders invisible. Today, I'm showing you the one-click layer trick to hide them for good. Let's clean up this layout. Step 1. Open the Layer Properties Manager. First, navigate to your Layout tab. You can see the borders right now, but we want them gone on the final plot. Type LA in the command line and hit Enter to open the Layer Properties Manager. Step 2. Create a dedicated viewport layer. It is essential that your viewports are on their own layer. Click the New Layer icon. Name it something obvious like Viewports or Vport. Pro tip: give this layer a distinct color like cyan or magenta so you can easily identify it when you're working in the layout. Step 3. Move your viewports to that new layer. Now let's assign the borders to that layer. Select the boundary or border of your viewport, or all of them at once. Go to the Layer dropdown at the top of your screen and select your new Viewports layer. Your borders are now correctly categorized. Step 4. The No Plot trick. This is the magic step that makes them invisible on paper but visible while you work. Open the Layer Properties Manager, LA, again, find your Viewports layer, and scroll to the right until you see the Plot column. Click the little printer icon so a red stop symbol appears on it. This tells AutoCAD, show me the lines on the screen, but do not print them. Step 5. Verify with Plot Preview. To make sure it worked without actually wasting paper, type PRE for Preview and hit Enter. You'll see your drawing perfectly placed, but the rectangular borders have completely vanished. If you want to hide them on the screen too, just freeze or turn off the layer. But remember, you won't be able to select the viewport to change the scale if the layer is frozen. And just like that, you have a professional, border-free drawing. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.